For all you great loopers out there that's going to be heading to Paducah, Kentucky on the Ohio River, this is what you can expect at the Paducah, Kentucky Marina. It is reservations only, and man, it's some great facilities. They got fuel here, water, electric, the whole works, and plenty of tie-ups for all the boats coming through. Sometimes it's real busy, and tonight there's only one, and he's doing a great loop. So let's check it out. Got some really nice cleats. Got a cute little trawler, green eyes. Sometimes this is packed out with loopers. Sometimes there's none down here. We got some 90 octane gasoline, some diesel fuel. And if you need fuel, call this number right here and it will help you. This great little walkway. And what's cool is, if you've been on the boat for a while, you might want to stretch your legs out, go for a bike ride, go for a walk, go for a jog. At the top of this, if you go to the left, you're going to go to right to the downtown Paducah area. Several little restaurants there. Very neat. Got some music on the weekends. Very good place to hang out. You got Mexican ice cream, steak, just about everything that you want. And if you go to the right, jump on the Greenway Trail. It goes from several miles. It'll take you to the foot of the Brookport Bridge that you just crossed under on the Ohio. If you keep going, take you into Bob Noble Park. And from here, it's about a 6-mile walk, 7-mile walk, something like that. It was really nice. So go to the left, downtown Paducah. Go to the right, Greenway Trail. To get to the Greenway Trail, can't even say that. Just keep walking straight. You're gonna walk in between this building and the Holiday Inn right here. There's a nice little restaurant right here on this side. Pretty cool place to go. So make your way around and just keep on going. We'll take you right there. Holiday Inn. Around this building right here. You're going to be passing Julian M. Carroll Convention Center, and just keep on going. Just walk right in front of the building. Nice, easy walking. And this is really a really safe place to go walking. We walk this all the time, and we've already walked about 2.5 miles and heading back another 2.5. And what a great place just to come and stretch your legs, especially if you've been on a boat for a while. And, see the storage facility there? Right there. Looks like a little bridge almost. That's where you're gonna walk to. That's where the start of this Greenway Trail is. It's super nice. So when you're down this way, come check it out. You won't be disappointed. It's very safe, and what a great place to ride a bike, scooter, and put on your running shoes or your walking shoes. And if you want to, late evening after dinner, if you want to take a horse and carriage ride, that's where they keep the horses, especially on the weekends. They made the trail basically right on top of the levee that protects Paducah from the Ohio River when it floods. And they've done a really nice job here. It's really wide, about 12 feet wide. And that's fantastic. And here's your information for the online reservations and also telephone number. So we went to the right to get to the Greenway Trail, and now we're gonna go left. And here's everything that you need to know right here. Couple different ways you can get to the downtown area. It's only about 1.5, 2 blocks away. Go through the flood wall right there, and just on the other side of that, they have farmers market on Saturdays down here during the summertime. And it looks like we've got some river cruise boats up here landed for the evening as well. But this is a great place to come down and visit and enjoy yourself as you're doing the Great Loop. And that's going to be your farmers market area on the weekends. It's American Jazz. do have the Market House Theater for some evening time entertainment. Here on South 2nd Street, you got a nice little Mexican place down here. You got another outside restaurant along with Creams and Curls, and many places to eat down here. And if you're a musician, come on down to Allen's Music, and I'm sure that they can tune your guitar, so you pick and get you rolling. And you need to stop in at Hooper's. It's a nice outdoor adventure store. Sells some high-end kayaks, bicycles, and any of your outdoor athletic needs. Right downtown Paducah, Kentucky. And here's Broussard's Cajun Cuisine. Weekends they have a live band, outdoor dining area. And for you ladies that like to quilt, there's the National Quilt Museum. And for those that don't know what the Great Loop is, you ought to check it out. I tell you what, it's probably one of the coolest journeys that you can take here in the United States. Just look up Great Loop. You'll be amazed. You get on a boat, depending upon where you start from, but you're gonna go down the Mississippi, go to the Ohio, go to Tennessee River and Cumberland River, cruise all the way down to the Tombigbee, cruise all the way to the Gulf, go around the Panhandle of Florida and cut through, or go around the Keys all the way up the East Coast to the Great Lakes. From there all through the Great Lakes and then back down the Mississippi. Makes a big circle. Pretty awesome. And I hope to join all of you Great Loopers one of these days, because that's a dream of mine. And for all my Great Loopers out there that want to know what Paducah, Kentucky has to offer, you've seen just a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the short little video, and it was a joy of mine and great evening. So you guys have safe journeys, and when you get to Paducah, tie up, come up, have a nice meal, enjoy the scenery. God bless y'all. You have a great day, and we will see you soon with more videos to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because you guys really do help out the channel grow, and it's a great for me just to give you an outlook of what Paducah, Kentucky looks like. Catch you later. See you. Bye.